called Karr Bick for the second time. They were just amazing to work with for our bathroom. Not only was everything so professional and just beautiful, the level of craftsmanship was amazing.
Well, I'm gonna backtrack to when she first sent me an email with like some inspiration photos, because Lauren, my assistant, was in the room with me, and I opened it and I think I like gasped because it was like all my dream dining rooms and all my dream wallpapers. And I just knew from that moment that like Taylor and I were soulmates.
When I met Ashley, I just feel like right off the bat, she came in, we had talked a little bit about what we were wanting, and I had seen some of her work. I had followed her on Instagram and followed Karr Bick as well. And so I'd seen some of her work and I just knew it was gonna be great.
Originally in this room, there was wainscoting that was about 36 inches on the floor. And in order to do a mural like this, we would have lost such an impact if it had started 36 inches and gone up. So we worked with our Karr Bick construction team, and they took it down so we could have floor to ceiling wallpaper panels. I brought over several wallpapers based on her inspiration, and we, pasted them up on the wall, did some renderings, and we narrowed it down to 2 of our favorites, and this dining room being one of them. And then we used the other one in the powder room.
It was very collaborative, and I loved her guidance, but I also loved the fact that we could make it me as well.
We have 3 divisions: interiors, kitchen and bath, and construction. So I'm in the construction meetings every Friday, and we kind of figure out what the guys are doing the next week. And for this project, they're like, all right, Ashley has a door, and we're turning it into a lattice door, and we're cutting out the louvers, and we're making it this. And
my cubby is right next to the construction team. So I was constantly going over there being like, is it crazy if I want to make this door disappear and make it a jib door? And can we take that other door and add some lattice to it?
It is different adding this layer of creativity.
And Brandon and Todd were like, yes, we'll make your dreams come true.
Sometimes there's just some funny stuff, because Ashley is more how big can I think about this? And I don't really know how it's going to work. So here, you do it, And so we do sit around the table and think about those things. It's just fun, because they all want to do it because it's interesting and it's creative and it's just something different.
Also just knew that trusting Ashley that she was going to do an amazing job. So I'm definitely not surprised, but I love it. And it's different than I think I even imagined it. I don't know if we knew exactly what we wanted until we got to a certain point. There was a lot of just collaboration and what if we did this and what if we did this? And I knew that Ashley would take all of those ideas and really tie them up and bring it together in a really cohesive way.
The best team, right? Every aspect of, I'm just proud of the organization as a whole and how they all work together and how dedicated every single person is to making your project exactly what you want it to be.
Clearly this is my style. I come in here, I told her she's gonna have to bury me in here somewhere someday.